Abashed. If someone is abashed, they feel embarrassed, shy, or uncomfortable, usually because they did something silly or awkward. He looked abashed after tripping in front of everyone. She felt abashed when the teacher praised her by mistake. I was abashed when I called my new teacher, Mom, by accident in front of the whole class. Feeling abashed, he quietly walked away after realizing his shirt was inside out all day. Embarrassed, feeling awkward or shy. Shy, not feeling confident in front of others. Ashamed, feeling bad about something you did. Other similar words: flustered, nervous, blushing. Confident, feeling sure about yourself. Proud, feeling good about what you did. Bold, not afraid or shy at all. Other opposite words: cheerful, fearless, outgoing.